In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the aspect ratio of a video in Premiere Pro. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So this way you can make, for example, vertical videos or change from horizontal to vertical or the other way around. And for this, just go to your project and click on sequence at the top left. And now go to auto reframe sequence. So if you click here, you will find the target aspect ratio. You can click and put a custom aspect ratio. You can put horizontal or vertical. You can also put a different vertical aspect ratio or even a square video. So for this case, let's say I want a vertical video for social media. I can just choose the vertical 9:16, click on create, and it will automatically change the sequence aspect ratio. Now we can click our clip and click on fit right here, or we can also right click and fit to frame, and just like this it should fit the clip into the new aspect ratio. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.